My name is Kim Custeau, and I'm the Director of Asset Management for the software business. Organizations today are striving to achieve the last mile of efficiency and get the most out of the assets that run their organization. Enterprise Asset Performance Management is our platform to achieve that last mile. It encompasses the collection and storage of the data, the analysis of that data, and then the actions that are subsequent to understanding that information. And by having all of that in a single platform, we can deliver value for our customers in that area. So with the advent of IoT and the proliferation of that in the market, it has driven down the cost of the collection devices and the sensors that collect this information, and it allows us to have a vast amount of data that we can now drive context in our maintenance strategy. So we're leveraging that conditional information about the asset to determine the best course of action and to identify early failure. And when you can identify early failure, you can save money, right? You have reduced downtime, you eliminate the risk of downtime, you reduce costs, and you can increase the utilization of that asset. The Enterprise APM approach is meant to be a platform where they can build. So we deliver on the foundational level so that they can handle the regular maintenance that has to occur. We enable the preventive maintenance approach for a much more planned look at the work that needs to be done. And then we can take a subset of those assets that are critical to the process, and we can put algorithms and rules and do a conditional-based approach. And then from there, we can also enable them to have a predictive approach using models and machine learning. However, in many industries, there are solutions which are already in place. One advantage of our Enterprise APM platform is that it is, while a complete comprehensive end-to-end solution, is also very integratable. So when we work with customers that already have a historian in place, we want to leverage that and provide more additional value against that. We can integrate. So our solution is very open and allows us to be part of an existing infrastructure and then grow from there. The value our Enterprise APM solution brings to a customer is the ability to have knowledge of the asset itself, right? So we need to understand the life cycle of that asset, and we need to manage it throughout its process. And for us, having that conditional information, having the information that is made available to us through the analytics, allows us to warn people of failures. And when you can warn people of failures, you have several benefits that come from that. You can avoid cost, you can reduce the cost of maintaining and operating the equipment, you can improve the reliability of the asset, which improves the reliability of the organization and the performance of the plant. And in addition, you have an integration to the supply chain. So if you can begin to plan more work, then you are more organized in terms of having the people and the processes and the products and equipment that you need available for delivering on that maintenance. A very large energy company in the United States with over 60 plants has implemented our Enterprise APM solution, and within one early failure warning saved just over $7 million in cost avoidance.